his expectations are from the business. Pramod, thank you very much for joining us. There's a huge buzz in the multiplex theatre stocks today. Let me get a take from you. What are your expectations from that big lineup of movies, whether it's Three Idiots or Khan? My Name is Khan. These are some mega movies which are expected to hit the theatres.
Hi, Manisha. The outlook really looks positive with a lot of content coming in the next 2 quarters. So due to which, it's a positive trend which is hitting the multiplex sector. And besides that, if you look at the recent acquisition that we have done, which is the DD Cinemas, and major investing into PVR is also adding some impetus, maybe.
Right. Pramod, give us some more flavor on the DD Cinema buyout that happened. I mean, what are your expectations in terms of overall business? Because occupancy levels, if you could just run us through what was happening 2 months ago, and have they improved dramatically over the last 2-3 months?
Yeah, actually, the occupancies have gone up. If you look at our ticket prices also, in the first quarter, they were hovering around 132. In the subsequent quarter, they came to around 142, and now, they're more than 150 rupees. So the average ticket price has gone up. One, that is adding impetus to the numbers. And besides that, the occupancies also have gone up substantially, adding around 5 to 6%. And the last quarter was around 33%. This quarter should be around 37%. So, all this taken in the right stride, this should be adding great numbers to the bottom line. And the DD acquisition, of course, gives us a huge play wherein, now we should be holding around 70% of the market share in the Delhi region. And besides that, the future becomes a little rosy considering the fact that DLF has a lot of properties which will be coming up in the future. And by virtue of this deal, we shall have exclusive rights to do multiplexes in all their properties.
All right, Pramod, so it certainly seems like as you're getting into 2010, things are looking better. What does that mean in terms of your expansion plans next year? You had about 50 screens that you planned to add. Does that still stay on track, or would you actually take a bet and move that number upwards?
The number may only move upwards. We are looking at around a 35% CAGR for the next 2 years. So it will be around in the range of 50 to 60 screens next year and next to next year. Besides that, by March 31st on the organic front, we should be adding around 32 screens by this March 31st.
So just on the funding side, what are the developments there? Are you anticipating a need for any further fundraising, and hence any thought or any process underway on a stake sale perhaps?
Not really, now, with our fund situation and which is very apparent in the balance sheet also as well, we are reasonably clear that for a long duration of time, we shall not need any funds to grow. There would be good amount of internal accruals which will fund the growth, and as well as the money which is lying with us.
Right. Pramod, can you update us on the debt in the books at the moment?
Well, the exact number would be difficult for me to put up, but in terms of the net worth, we should be around 50%. So we still have a leverage capability.
All right.
We still have a leverage capability on our balance sheet to take more debt.
Okay, then just give us, you're sounding so optimistic about the business from December to March. Can you give us some bottom line sense on how this will pan out? Will the pressure go away completely, and what kind of growth can we expect?
Hello? Hello?
Pramod, wanted to get your sense on the bottom line by the time you end the year.
Hello? Hello?
All right, I think we've lost Pramod Arora there. Of course, PVR stocks up and the entire multiplex stocks up. Pramod's given us a clarity that he's seen better realizations in terms of ticket prices. They moved up from 142 levels to about 150 levels. The fact that DT Cinemas come into their portfolio has almost doubled their multiplex portfolio. So that's an additional. And of course, there's also the fact that you have a huge lineup of exciting films or content hitting multiplex, which is a positive for these stocks. Well, that's it. We'll be coming back with more.
Absolutely. We'll come back with another buzzing stock. We've got Ansal Housing, which was up almost 20% just a few minutes ago. That is a stock in focus, and we'll bring in the management, ask them what's happening there. Is there any fundamental change in the business that's justifying it? That's coming up on the other side.